Deep cleaning on Acer Aspire 5 A514-52G laptop. Thank you, Sir Gerald, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The Acer Aspire 5 A514-52G laptop underwent a comprehensive deep cleaning maintenance procedure to restore its cooling performance and ensure stable system operation. Over time, dust and dirt naturally accumulate inside the device, especially around the fan, vents, and heat sink, which can cause overheating, reduced efficiency, and slower performance. To address these issues, the laptop was carefully disassembled, and each internal component was cleaned using appropriate tools such as compressed air, soft brushes, and microfiber cloths. Special attention was given to the cooling system, particularly the fan and heat sink assembly, where a significant buildup of dust was found. The old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU was removed and replaced with high-quality thermal compound to improve heat dissipation. This step is essential in maintaining safe operating temperatures and preventing potential damage to the processor and other internal parts. The keyboard, ports, and ventilation areas were also thoroughly cleaned to remove debris that may affect airflow or device usability. After reassembly, a series of performance and temperature tests were conducted to ensure that the fan was functioning properly and that the system temperature had improved. As a result of the deep cleaning, the Acer Aspire 5 A514-52G now runs more efficiently, with noticeably quieter fan operation, reduced heat output, and improved system stability. This preventive maintenance not only enhances the laptop's performance, but also extends its overall lifespan, ensuring reliable operation for future use. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.